This is a video about how we could use the Screencast-O-matic to produce, video, and also we could use this tool to capture our slides so we could make it a video to share with our students. Alright, so first thing, we just need to go to Google and then you type in Screencast-O-matic and then it should, you click on that and then it should lead you in this home page. Alright, so after that, we will need to sign up for an account. So first thing, we just need to go to the upper right corner here, click on sign up, and you will need to give an email address, and then you could use your Caldwell address, and then you just need to continue and set up a password for that. Since now I already have an account, I will just click on sign in. So I will continue and I will type in my password and login. It may take a while for the system to load. As you could see now, this is my homepage of Screencast-O-matic. First of all, I want to introduce some feature and some functionality that we could make use of in this tool. The first thing is on the upper right corner, we see there are 4 buttons here. The first one is this camera-like icon. So that will allow you to take a screenshot. And the second one is the recorder, which we will mainly focus on today, but I will talk about it in details later. Now, the third one is the Open Video Editor. So this tool is more for advanced video editing. If you at any point want to edit your your recording, then you could use this tool. And if you want to learn more about the advanced technique, feel free to contact me and I will show you how to do that. And the fourth button is your account. So as you can see, once you click on that, it will show your account email address. And as you can see now, I'm using a free account. So what I should produce using this account is available to you. All right. And setting just mean you could change your password, something like that. And underneath, you will have 3 options. I will mainly want to talk about this tutorial. If you click on tutorials, it should lead you to the website, which contains a lot of, short videos that could help you to figure out how you could make videos. All right. And now I will just go back. All right. So now I'm here back in my home page. Now, I would like to show you about like the left hand side menu. The first one is videos. If you click on that, it will just show you all the videos that you share here. So remember, if you are using this tool, you will have 2 options when you finish recording. The first one is save the video to your own computer. The second is share the video recording here on this website. So it's totally up to you which way you want to go, and I will definitely show you how it will look like when we get to that point, okay? Images just mean you could upload images here as well, and folder just mean you could organize all those videos using folder. If you like, let's say you want to create a folder to host all the class recording, then you could just create a folder by going to new folder and give it a title. That's it. And for folder, it's just more like a way that you could organize all your materials, all your videos. However, for the fourth option here, which is called channels, this is more like a YouTube channel that you could share with students. So what I'm saying is, if you go into this channel tab, you will be able to create new channel by clicking on the upper right corner, and you will be able to give it a name. So let me give it a name like test channel. and you could give it a description. This is a channel, of something. After that, you will be able to choose visibility. So the first one is public, which means this channel is public to the internet. Everyone could search that. However, I would recommend the default setting, which is unlisted. It's kind of like the YouTube's sharing features. That mean only the people that you share this link with could get into this website. Otherwise, other people couldn't. All right. And the third one is password. So that means if you want to lock the channel up and only the people who has the password could get into that, then you could definitely set up. But I would just think this sometimes could be inconvenience because sometimes students may forget about their password, right? All right, so I would just recommend going with the second option, unlisted. And after you click save, you will see the channel will save here. All right, so this is the test channel that I just created. If you click into view channel, now it's empty because we don't have any recorder. We don't have any video yet. And at any point, if you want to, share the video here, like I said before, you will need to first use the tool to record the screen, and after that, it will give you an option whether to share in this channel. Okay. So now there's no way that you could upload video directly. Okay, so this is how the channels work. If at any point you want to share this whole channel with your student, you just need to go to the right corner here and you will see 4 buttons here. The first one is copy link. You just need to click on that and then you already have that link. You just need to go to your email or Blackboard to make an announcement and then paste that link there. Okay, and the third one is just, the second one just means edit. You could always go back to edit the channel setting. And the third one is just mean you could share your channel through different way. The first option is direct link, which means you already know about it. You just need to click on that copy button and share it with your student. And some other options is listed underneath here. You could share it with your Google Classroom if you are using that. So it's totally up to you which way you want to share the video, the channel. So you just need to pick the way that you get used to. After that, you just need to click save and go back to the channel page. All right, so that's how the channel works. The last one is trash. That means if you at any point delete some video, they will go here. You could always restore them. All right, but as you can see, this is some test channel that I created. So I could always delete it forever by clicking the trash can button. As you can see, it's gone. All right, so that's how those left-hand side menu work. Next step, I will walk you through how we could launch the recorder and then make a recording. So now I will go to this launch recorder button here. And because this is the first time I use it, it should ask me to download a tool. But you sometimes just need to wait for a few seconds. So now we have this wording at the bottom saying get recorder launcher. So you will need to click on this button to download it. All right, and it will get started. And once it gets started, you will see a download is going on here. All right, if you are using a Mac system, you will just need to click on this upside arrow here and then show in Finder. If you are using a PC, I guess that should be in your download folder. So don't worry, you just need to go to your computer and find out the download folder, and then just locate that tools download. So now I will just show it in folder, and as you can see, I click on that download and it should open up the installation for me. Okay, and we just need to give it a few seconds, and then I just need to click on this setup app, and as you can see here, now it's going through the process, and it will give you this warning saying that you really want to open it. Don't worry, it's just because this app is not downloading from the Apple Store, so it will always ask you those kind of questions. So I will just say open. Alright, so as you could see here, now it's opening, and it said the screen recorder is ready. Alright, so now I don't need to go back to the app, to the tool. I just need to come back to this web page and go to the recorder button, click on that again, and it should launch the recorder for me now. This process might take a few seconds, so as you can see, it will ask you to open the recorder launch app. I click on that and open. Okay, and once it's success, now you will see the recorder launched, but it may take a while for the recording, for that tool to pop up. Alright, so this is the recorder panel. As you can see, this is the dotted box, which means it will capture the screen. This frame will capture whatever within it. So if you want to capture this whole screen, you will need to hover over those corners. For example, this right button corner here, I drag that to make it fit my screen so that it could record whatever is within my screen, Okay, so I could do that. Alright, so that's how the dotted box is recording. And the second one, just the setting panel. As you can see, the first choice that you need to make is what kind of content you want to capture. The first one is the screen. That means whatever on your screen will be captured. And the second one is webcam. If you click on that and enable it, it will capture your face. While the third one is mean both. It will capture both the screen as the webcam. That means your face will appear on the right button corner here. Okay, and the second one is max time. I believe because I already have a paid version, even though I log in with my free account, this features allows me to have unlimited time. However, for the free account, I believe you could only record 15 minutes each time. Alright, so as you can see, this is the 15 minutes. And the third one is the size, which means you could resize the frame to fit your screen. And you could also click into the arrow here to go full screen if you want. Alright, and the third one is the narration. As you can see, while I'm talking, it will capture my sound wave and the volume bar will move. And the last choice is the computer audios. So normally I would recommend turn it off and the system automatically turn it off, because if you turn it on, it will capture two sounds, one from your narration, another is the echo of your narration. So that's why I always recommend keep it off. And the preferences here just mean you could always have more advanced setting. So for those advanced settings, you could take a look at them, but I would say normally for those essential settings will be enough for you to make a recording. Alright, so after all those settings, you just need to click on the red button here and then start the recording. Have this recorder open up. What I just did is I pull up my PowerPoint here. If you are using PowerPoint, you could definitely open up a folder, and then find that PowerPoint, open it up, then it just like resign here on your desktop, and now you have your lecturing materials ready and the recorder ready. Now we will need to record the section. So as you can see now, my frame is not fitting the whole slides, so I will need to adjust it, or I could just go to the size again and choose full size. Alright, so since now I'm doing the full size, it will capture whatever on my screen. So now my screen only have the PowerPoint, so it will capture the PowerPoint. And I could always go to display, but I would recommend just go this wheel, because you could always navigate through the left hand sidebar. Alright, so let's try it. After you have all those set up, you just need to click on record. It should give you like a 3-second countdown. And then, as you can see on the left hand side bottom corner here, it will have a timer here to indicate how many seconds you already talk about. So this is how the slides will go on. You could just need to go on with your slide, talk about the content inside it. Alright, and then all the way to the end. After that, you just need to click on this red button, this pause button here again. So now you already have 35 seconds recording. Alright, this is just a demonstration. That's why it will take so quick. But normally if you are having a lecture, that process should be longer, right? Okay, so now you could always do the play button to have a look at what you have. You could preview the section. If not, you just need to click on the done button. Alright, and it will pop up this menu for you to choose. The first one is save it or upload it. And the second one is quick share. And the third one is edit video. In this tutorial, I will focus on the first one, save it. Save it to your own computer. If you at any point you want to learn about how to edit this video, feel free to contact us. We could show you how to edit the video to make it more, how to cut it, how to add text to it. But now I will just choose the save button here. After I click on that, you will have this panel pop up for me. As you can see, this is the recording that I just made. I could click on the play button to play it, and then as you can see on the left hand side, alright, this is the video, and as you can see, you will be able to save it to your computer, or you could upload it to Screencast-O-matic. Remember that when I talk about like creating a channel, and you could share, you could post a video on the website. That is when the parts come in. You could choose to upload it directly to the Screencast-O-matic here by clicking on the share, by clicking on this upload to Screencast-O-matic button. Alright, if not, if you want to save it to your computer first, now you could just go with this first one. After that, you just need to give it a name. Alright, so I will give it a test video. Alright, and where to save this video? I would choose desktop. You could definitely browse more options. So the first one is cursor. That means you want to highlight. You will have a highlight cursor effect, which means you could see on my screen here this red ring. That means whenever your mouse go, it will have this red ring appear, so it will highlight the content for the student. Okay, so the next one is closed caption. Unfortunately, for the free account, we couldn't use the functionality here. But we could definitely upload this video to YouTube, so YouTube can help us to add closed caption, and I will show you later how to do it. Okay, and the last setting is the quality. I would definitely recommend go with the higher one, and it's always the default setting. You don't need to worry about that. After that, you just need to click publish. All right. And okay, after you click publish, it will begin to process this video, and it may take a while for the system to process it. Okay, so because my video is quite short, that's why it will process real quick. Okay, now my video is processed already. So as you can see, you could play the video directly, or you could browse the folder. So I would recommend always click on browse folder to locate the video, as you can see here. This is the video that I just produced. Now I have this video on my folder. Next, I will show you how you could upload this video to YouTube channel to add closed caption to it. Video ready? We just need to, open a new tab on the browser, and we log into our YouTube channel. Now we just need to, click on the create button here on the upper right corner, this camera icon, and then we go to upload video. All right, and it may take a while for that window to pop up. So there you go, it will pop up this box for you. So remember, we already locate our video here in this folder. What we need to do is just drag this video to the window here. As you can see, it may take a while for it to process. Okay, now you will need to give it a name, a title. So I will just call it test video. And the description, you could add it here. And then you could choose the system will automatically pick one for you after it uploaded. Okay, and the playlist, you could select one of the playlists if you create one. If not, just leave it blank. Okay, so next you will have to choose the audience. Is this video made for kids? Probably not. Most of our content is more for higher ed, so it's not made for kids. Okay, so now we are going to add the closed caption. If we want to do that, we need to click into this more options button here, and it will expand more content for us. For all those paid promotion tags, we could ignore them. But here, when it comes to language, subtitle, and closed caption, we need to select a language by clicking on the drop-down menu. So we will pick, English, United States. All right, so caption certification, I would say I will leave it none. Or you could choose this content has never aired on television in the United States. Okay. All right, so after you set up the video language, that should be set. Now, you just need to click on the next button. This is more of the promotion part, so we don't need to worry about it. We just need to continue. Next. All right, so here you'll be able to pick the visibility. The first one is private, which means only you and the people you choose can watch the video. And the second one is unlisted, just similar to the Screencast-O-matic channel. That means like anyone with a link could view the video. So I would recommend choosing the second one. Alright, and that's it. After that, you just need to click save. Alrighty, so now after you click save, this video already published. Normally, if you upload a video that is more than 50 minutes or even like an hour long, it won't process so quick. It sometimes may take like a few minutes or even half an hour to process it. If that's the case, you just need to close this window. As you can see, once you close the window, the video that you upload will pop up at the top of the table, as you can see here. Alright, so this is the test video that I just uploaded. And now, since I have it unlisted, I could share this video with my student by clicking on this 3 dots here. And you could get this shareable link. You just need to click on that. As you can see, the link are copied to clipboard. That means you could now paste this link to Blackboard announcement or email so the student could get access to this video. Alright, so that's it. That's how we could use the Screencast-O-matic to record our screen, and then we could upload them to YouTube to add closed caption. Alright? If you want to learn more about how to use the Screencast-O-matic to edit video, I will have another video for that. So feel free to contact me if you want to learn more about that. Alright, thank you for your listening.